Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, I have already provided you a lot of information, ideas, as well as guideline related with your chapter. Regarding that very discussion, I have already provided you the summary of your chapter. So now I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out any problem related with your chapter. So that's why today I try my best to select few problems along with its solution. I am sure all of you could succeed to sort out these all the problems. So all of you carefully, minutely and seriously watch my today's video and follow me. Extract based questions. Now read the following passage and answer the questions. Extract number first along with its solution for your support. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. And when he returned, he exclaimed, "These aren't raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins. The big drops are 10-cent pieces and the little ones are fives." Now, my dear students, on the basis of these all the lines, think about the exact answer of these questions. Why did Lencho go out in the rain? Its first option like to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Second now, to bath in the rain. Third now, to collect his corns. And fourth like to cover the roof of his house. Regarding the second question, Lencho compared the raindrops to new coins because first option for it like they were proud in shape. Second for you, good rain means good money. Third, both first and second. And fourth option for you like they were as hard as coins. Next question for you like which word in the extract means the same as coming closer? First option for you like mountains of clouds. Second, falling. Third, went out. And fourth, approaching. Now, as the last question, what are the raindrops compared to? First option for you like clouds, second fresh air, third new coins, and fourth big drops. Now, my dear students, on the basis of the story, we are in position to sort out these all the problems. As the answer of first problem, like its first option, to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Second answer, like option number 3, both first and second. Now, the third answer, like option number 4, approaching. And now it's the last answer of the last question, like option number 3, new coins. Now, my dear students, I have selected few problems for you, and I am sure that all of you could succeed to sort out these all the problems on the basis of the first solutions. So, step number 2 as your assignment. Now it's question like, with the satisfied expressions, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers, draped in a curtain of rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. Now the first question, like, who was satisfied? And as its option, first one like Lencho, second postmaster, third God, and fourth none. Now the second question for you, why was he satisfied? And its first option like to see his crops, second to see the letter from God, third to see the rain falling, and as the last option here, like to see the new coins. Now the third question for you, like, which word in the text means the same as covered? First option for you, like to cover, second curtain, third draped, and fourth ripe. Now the last question for you, suddenly blanks began to fall. As the first option like raindrops, second snow, third large hailstones, and last snow flakes. Now all of you try your best to sort out the next problem. And the stack line here like, God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I go hungry this year. I needed 100 pesos in order to sow my field again and to live until the crop comes. Because the hailstorm Now, as the first question here, like, who is he? And first option for you, like God, second postmaster, third nun, and fourth lencho. Now, second problem for you, like, why did the speaker need money? First option for you, like, to save his land. Second, to save his family from hunger. Third, to repay his loans. And fourth, to buy a plow. Now, the third question, like, how much money did the speaker need? First option for you, like 500 pesos. Second, 400 pesos. Third, 200 pesos. And fourth, 100 pesos. Now, as the last question for you, who is you in the passage? And the options, like, first one here, postmaster. Second, lencho. Third, God. And fourth, post office staff. Now, my dear students, all of you are in position to sort out these all the problems correctly. Next day, we will have to start a new chapter. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.